How to fix lost administrator rights on Windows 10. First, note down your username. For that, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. My username was Theo. Note down your username. Now open Setting. Click on Update and Security. Click on Recovery. In Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advance option. Click on Startup Setting. Click on Restart. Press F4 key in your keyboard. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press Enter. In username, type your username. Mine was Theo. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now exit safe mode. For that, open Run and type msconfig. Select Normal Startup. Open Boot tab. Uncheck Safe Mode. Press Apply and then OK. Click on Restart. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.